having any doubts?
No, but I have when I do something on my test pen, VB script can generate on that.
Yeah, it can generate it. Then what happened?
It can generate.
Maybe
I
you're
do
not
every
selecting.
step, but it can.
Is it there right now?
Yes.
Show me how you are doing.
Okay.
Just make it fast, okay?
Okay.
Click on show my screen.
Mm. I don't know where the other is. It's not show the application right now, but when I do this and it
What
can.
happened to application?
I don't know where it gone, but it's there. I can't see right now. But it can generate on
Go to
test
start.
pen.
Green color start button. Go to start.
Again?
Not this start. In your virtual machine start button.
Recording?
Start button here in the in your Oracle VirtualBox start button is there, na? That I'm talking.
No.
If application is not there, how to explain you, dear? Please make the application on desktop and then ask me, please.
Okay, okay. It's there, but I don't know why this time it's not showing.
Okay, fine. You just check it out and let me know. Otherwise, I can't guide you because it is working fine only. You made some mistake, I think so.
Okay, okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, thank you.
Saujanya, can you hear me now? Fine, dear. You are welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So let's see. Types of objects. Basically, there are two types of objects are there. In QTP, there are two types of objects are there. All of you make recording by your end. One is runtime object and another one is test object. One is runtime and another one is test object. Here, what is all of you please make it mute also. Make mute by your end. Yeah. Saima, you also please make it mute by your end. Some background noise I'm getting.
Okay.
Fine. So here, this is your QTP. And this is your application. This is your application and this is your QTP. So this is your object repository. So let's see. Make the tool under recording, Windows, apply and OK. I'm activating the title. I entered username as Vidya, password as Mercury. I clicked on OK button. Stop recording. Here, agent name, password, OK and login. 4 objects are there. And in this application, login, agent name, password, OK. So here 4 objects are there and in the object repository also 4 objects are there. So what is runtime objects means the objects which are available on the application or the objects which are provided in the application is called runtime objects. So what is runtime objects means the objects which are provided in the application is called runtime objects. And what is test objects means here let's see. The objects which are provided in the object repository is called test objects. This login, OK, agent name, password. These 4 objects are calling it as a test objects. So the objects which are provided in the object repository is called test objects. Here, these objects we are calling it as a real objects, and these objects we are calling it as a reference objects. So these objects are real objects, and these objects are reference objects. These objects we can't change it. And these objects we can change it. We can change these objects. These objects, right click on it, rename it. We can rename it, we can change it. But these objects we can't change it. So reference objects are used to identify the real object. So here, these are all the reference objects. So note, with the help of reference objects only, QTP will identify the real object. This is called types of objects. Very important interview point of question will be raised. Got it, team? Is this point is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Fine. Now let's see. Now QTP life cycle. QTP life cycle. How in STLC, software testing life cycle, how the work will be processed in 6 different phases. In the same way here also, in QTP also, work will be processed in 6 different phases. In this, work will be processed in 6 different phases. One is test plan, you know very well. Then generating the basic test. Then enhancing the test. Then executing the test. Then result analysis. Finally reporting. Test plan, generating the basic test or script. Enhancing the test or script. Executing the test or script. Result analysis and reporting. In 6 different phases, work will be processed. Let's see test plan. So already we learned this test plan. Here it is one narrowly defined documentation here. Test plan is narrowly defined document which describes how to test the application in an effective way. To provide the quality project to client. To provide the quality project to client is called test plan. So it is prepared by test lead. So in automation test plan, along with the manual oriented only, so what are all the automation steps are going to follow? Let's see. First, lead will understand the requirements, dear. Steps. Along with the manual oriented, these steps will be followed. 1. Understanding the requirements. After understanding the requirements, identifying the modules to be automated. Identifying the modules to be automated. Then analyzing the flow of the project. Analyzing the flow of the project. Then preparing tool to ready. This point is important. Preparing tool to ready with all pre-configurational settings. For the further operation purpose. In testing team. For the further operations in testing team. So what is this pre-configurational settings means? See. Just observe my desktop. If you go to tools, object identification. These are all already pre-configured. You are not going to do anything here. These options. Go to tools, options. Something options got selected. 2, 5 is given. Already it is pre-configured. You are not going to do anything here. So already these are all the things, no error, 0, some options got selected. It is pre-configured here. So management will prepare the tool to ready with all settings. See, if you hit the run button, here some timeline, some pop-up message box information is given. They creates the tool to ready with all settings. This tool or a QTP software will be installed in testing team. Now application is ready, QTP tool is ready. This application you have to test it in QTP. So directly you are going to start testing. You are not going to do any internal settings here. You are not going to create any internal settings. Management, so with the help of HP company tech support and project manager, test lead is involving, development lead is involving, and what they are doing is they are going to see the pre-configurational settings. So this is what first phase. Along with your test plan manual requirement, along with that few points will be added. Is it clear? In test plan up to senior level tester you are not involving. So once the settings operations are given, next step your work is started. Yes dear. Having any doubts? They will create the tool to ready.
So this, yeah, the lead will create the tool to get ready, and we will just perform the test automation.
Yes, management dear, not only lead.
Okay, management.
Work in this. Yes. Okay. After QTP is ready and installed in your system, from here your work will be starts. First example, login project got selected, login module got selected for automation. Complete project will never use it in automation, remember. Which module? Project is divided into 4 modules. Complete 4 modules will never use it in automation. Few modules which are repeatedly we are using to test, those modules are going to use it in automation. Repeatedly means continuously for long period of time. When you are testing the application, those modules will be used. Got it? Yes, team?
Yes, yes. like this login module, we have to log in again and again to test the application. So this login module will get automated.
Exactly. So management will decide which one is repeatedly using in manual testing.
Okay.
To increase the speed of the testing process, automation is introduced. Now let's see. Generating the basic script. So in this phase, so tester will generate the basic script. Tester will generate the basic script with the flow of the application based on the task by using record and playback in normal recording mode. So companies will follow normal recording mode only. With the help of normal recording mode, basic script will be created. See, let's see. By using normal recording mode. Already you know this process. Navigation already you know. Normal recording mode. If you scroll up, here you can see normal recording mode. By using record and playback, company will follow this mode only, I said. So this is your navigation flow. So once the basic script got generated, then what is the next step? Let's see. So you have given a basic by using record and playback, perform the task on the application, stop recording and open the application, run it. Let's see. Here, keep the tool under recording. Here, what you did, you went to automation, record and run settings, Windows, apply and OK. Now keep the tool under recording. So you have activated, entered username, password as Mercury, clicking on OK button. So close the application, stop recording. One basic script got generated. Once the basic script got generated, what is the next step here is, now you need to do enhancements. This is very lengthy process. Enhancements. Let's see how enhancements are going to use it. Here, enhancing the script. So script will be basic script will be enhanced in different ways based on the scenarios. See, so below are the enhancements. Below are the enhancements. One is inserting the checkpoints. Saima, did you ask that person to install the checkpoints? In your system,
Yes,
WinRAR is not there. They did?
Yes. He said he did.
Okay. Inserting the output values. What you asked on that time? Synchronizing the test or a script. Synchronizing the test or a script. Then parameterizing the test. Test or script. Then inserting the transactional point. Then inserting the programmatic statements. These are all enhancements. Here what is executing the script means, once the script in enhancements, once the script got created, then we are executing all the script lines by clicking on run button. So once the script got executed, then result window will display with all steps. That result window we are reporting. So let's see. First point is checkpoint. First point is checkpoint. What is checkpoint means? Checkpoint is a validational pointer. We are calling it as a validational pointer. Validational pointer which is used to test the application in different situations or in different scenarios. In different scenarios. It is a validational pointer which is used to test the application in different scenarios. So what are all those scenarios means? Let's have a look first. This is your application. This is your application. Now you tell me, dear, by viewing this application, what are all the things you can test it?
Just by viewing it?
Okay, yeah, just by viewing, tell me.
Alignment, cancel, like agent name is there, password is there, OK, cancel, help button are in same synchronization, GUI, yeah.
Yeah,
Alignment.
GUI. Fine. So let's say by viewing this application, see, this is one application. Here, first one, image, you are going to test it. Alignment, fields alignment, consistency. Once you entered all the data, is this data is getting stored in the database or not? Here you are entering name as example Sakshi. You are clicking on first class, inserting the order number. So is that data is getting stored in the database or not? These are all the things you are going to test it.
But this is not just by viewing, we are performing some action.
No, viewing, not only viewing, all the actions also I'm talking.
Okay.
You can test the alignment, all the by viewing, along with the viewing, this functionality also you can test it. Okay.
Okay.
What are all the things you can test it means? I can check, I can test the data is stored or not, image I can test, alignment I can test. Example I'm telling you.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. Checkpoint means validational pointer which is used to test the application in different scenarios I'm talking. In different scenarios like application related text, application related images, like text, images, database, etc. Example, extra things you can test it. So for this different types of For different option, different situations, different checkpoints. For different option, different checkpoints, checkpoint is used. See. Types of checkpoint. One is different types of checkpoints are there. Text checkpoint, text area checkpoint, standard checkpoint, bitmap checkpoint, database checkpoint, XML checkpoint. So different checkpoints are there. So working process. So here before working process, how checkpoints are going to use it, let's see. For example, you are a first level, see, you are a manual tester. You are manual tester right now. Okay. So project name, get underscore text, subtitle, get text, get text demonstration. Main title, get underscore text. Here, I will write. First thing here, subtitle should be bold, italic, format and place it in center alignment. Next, in this application, 3 buttons should be there. One is hello, and the one is this is a, and another one is get text demo, get underscore text demo, I think. Yeah. So in this 3 buttons should be there. These 3 buttons should not face any consistency problem. Three buttons should not face any consistency problem. So you are a manual tester right now. This is the project. This is the requirements. Okay. Now I'm sending these requirements to all of you. In chat option. All of you observe the requirements, and build one is released. You are a manual tester, remember. Build one is released to you. Now tell me, dear, by viewing those requirements, did you find any defect? If yes, what are all? Already in chat option I have given a requirements. Read the requirements and tell me now.
Get text demo, that is in short. Get text demo, that is in the low case.
Low case?
Yeah.
Which one? Third button.
Third button. You wrote uppercase, but that is low case.
Okay, good.
Subtitle is not bold and italic.
Very good. Any other defects? Check it out and tell me. Saima, are you on the floor?
Yes, I'm on the floor. This is on not uppercase. This is lowercase. All
Which one?
buttons are. This is get.text demo.
This is also lowercase. As per the requirement sheet.
No, the get text demo should be, the get text should be in uppercase, not the demo. Only the get text. It
Get
should
text
uppercase.
D also.
Yeah, D also.
Okay.
It should be in uppercase.
Fine. Any other mistakes which you recognized here?
No, I guess.
Good.
I feel that these three buttons, they are not in the center. I mean, there's a lot of space on the right side, less space on the left side.
They didn't ask it, na dear. They didn't ask it to provide in center. 3 buttons should be there, they said. And it is correct only. There is no problem in buttons place. Okay? There is no problem in the buttons. Buttons are correct only. Third button problem is there as per the requirement. Now, while you are testing, you find 2 defects. You are a manual tester right now. You have written the defect here. So, we found 2 defects. One is subtitle is not in bold, italic format. And third button not placed in uppercase. This one. So prepare, we found 2 defects. We sent to development department. Now we are waiting for what?
Build.
Yeah,
Build
waiting
to.
for next build. Yes,
Build to.
very good. Build to. One fine day, build 2 is released. And now we are automation testers. And automation testing is started. Has to do now. Now we are automation testers. Automation testing has to be done. Okay. You are asking QTP to do now. Now build 2 is released. First, you have to answer my question only. Okay. When second build is released, first you have to check is this defects are rectified or not. Only 2 defects are rectified or not, you have to check. Don't give other than this answer, please. It's my request. Okay, you will get a confusion. My question is, when I'm releasing the build 2, these 2 problems which you raised it is rectified or not, tell me. See, now you are a automation. Remember one thing, automation will start in the middle of the testing, manual testing process. It's not like that from the beginning automation. First project is tabled in manual testing. To increase the speed of the existing testing process, automation is introduced. Please remember. this point. Now build 2 is released. Now observe the application. Already requirements are there. Is that defects are rectified or not? Tell me. 2 defects which you raised it.
Yes. First, get text demonstration. It is in bold and italic format, and the second is also done.
No, second button has.
But the second button is not properly now. Now it is. This is.
What is my question, dear? I already asked, na? Your raised defects are rectified or not? That question,
Yeah.
please answer.
They are.
Yes,
They are,
they
right?
have.
Problems got resolved.
Yes.
Now regression testing. Check the defect functionality. Now remaining all from the main title to all, one more time check it out. This is the process called regression testing. Now check it out and tell me. Any new defects which you identified, check it out and tell me.
Yeah,
Yes, very
second,
good, Uma. Tell me.
Second button, instead of this is A, it's A.
It is A. Okay. Saima, what about you? Give me any defect. Why only Uma and Sakshi is talking? What about Saujanya? What about Bhavana? Or okay, Bhavana for you it's okay. What about Archana? Archana, Saujanya, Saima, you also give the answers. I am feeling that only these 2 students are understanding, remaining are silent. I'm not saying to Uma and Sakshi to stop. Please, you go ahead. Rest of the team also give me the answers, please. I want to know you people are on the floor or not.
Okay, ma'am, sure.
Good, good, Saujanya. Good, go ahead. Uma, you also.
Yes.
Even Sakshi, you also. I'm asking those students also. Archana.
Okay, no problem.
It's good. So good.
Fine. So my question is there any new defects which you identified? If yes, tell me.
No.
No new defects, Saima?
Yeah. Get text. There is no space between them.
Earlier also no space, Nadir, as per the requirement. See?
Okay.
Check the requirement. It is there, na, in your side?
No, I can't see that.
Oh, requirement you can't see? Are you getting my chat option?
No.
What is your system, dear? Why your keep on your system will not getting all the things? See, this is the requirement then.
Okay. No.
Side by side I'm making. This is the requirement. Now tell me.
The first button has a black border and the other 2 has no black border.
Black border? No, that is highlighted here, selected like this. That is not the problem.
Actually, here it is here in the application. Actually, this is here.
Yeah, that okay. That is one of the defect. Even Uma also identified the same defect. Okay.
Okay.
It should be this is a, but they made it as it is a. One defect you identified. Very good. Is there any other defects?
They
Sakshi.
get test demo. The get test. Oh, okay. No defects.
Consistency problem.
Where, dear? Where consistency problem? Please tell me.
In 3 buttons.
Very good. In third button, there is a problem. Not in 3 buttons. Third button, consistency problem is there. Good.
But actually, you written here get test demo in the same way, ma'am. In the
Same way,
requirement.
my dear, in the requirement it is given, na? But in the build one they didn't mention it. That is the problem of developer.
Yeah.
Now we raised the defect, they rectified it.
Yeah.
With the problem
Actually,
they
I
have to
found
resolve.
the same defect, but I saw the requirements, but it was same. I thought like that.
No.
Okay, ma'am.
Now is there any other defects? Till now I find out 2 defects. One is consistency, second one is text. Yes?
In the consistency, if we will like the third, the width is more, but we have to like show the whole text, so it will get wider
Why
Automatic.
you are bothering about that? That is developer job. Developer had to make it in same size, na? If it is increased, it means they have to width. They have to increase.
Of
They are
all the
not increasing.
buttons.
Yeah, they
Okay.
have to do the adjacent options also. It
Okay.
is a problem of at the beginning only. If they made it, na, everything will be
Yeah.
in proper only. They made a mistake in first build, so we raised the defect. They rectified and they concentrated here only. They least
Okay.
bother about the they didn't bother about the requirement consistency. Already clearly they mentioned there should not be any consistency, even though they are making a mistake. So
Yeah.
because text is high, you are a tester. You should not give this answer. So
Okay.
you're trying to hide the developer problem.
Yeah.
Got it? You are supporting developer. If you are saying in this way, na, meaning of that is you are supporting developer.
Okay.
Okay.
There is
Now,
yeah, subtitle should be in a center place, right?
very good. Maximum students will not observe that point.
Yes.
Good, Saima. Subtitle
No,
is not in center. Oh, Archana, sorry. Is it Archana?
yes.
Yes.
Little doubt between Archana's voice and Saima's voice. I feel both are here. Both the voice are same. Sorry, dear. Good. Good observation. Okay, subtitle is not in center alignment. See, observe it clearly. And here also you should not say yeah because it is italic format, na, that is a reason. We least bother about the reasons. You don't say the reasons. You have to say title is not placed in center. Right? Now how many defects you recognized?
3.
What are all?
Subtitle will be at the center, and it is a, there won't be this is a, and get test demo.
Alignment problem.
Width. No, not alignment. It's a height, width, size, consistency. Yeah. You can say consistency. Now you are a automation tester. You got 3 defects here. Okay. Now you need to ask QTP to identify that mistakes. You are guiding QTP to raise the defects. QTP is a missionary and it is your assistant. You need to guide QTP to identify the mistakes. How to do means with the help of checkpoints. So here one problem is what? In build 2, one is text problem. This is a text problem. Second one is area problem. That is called alignment. Center aligned. Next one is width problem. Means properties and values problem. Height, size, width. Means consistency. Three defects are there. Is that clear up to now?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Yes.
So if you want to identify the text problem with the help of text checkpoint. So if you want to test the text presented on the application, text checkpoint you have to use. If you want to test the text presented on the application, then we are using this checkpoint. Then we are using this checkpoint. Okay? And here center alignment. If you want to test the text area presented on the application, this checkpoint. If you want to test the properties and values of an application, then we are using this checkpoint. Okay, text area standard. So let's see, first text checkpoint. Now working process in automation. This is automation testing working process. Here I will write. First one, open the correct application. It is nothing but a build one. In that only correct values are there. Then keep the tool under recording mode. Then go to insert. Select checkpoint. In that select text checkpoint. Then select the desired option. Select match case with exact match. I will show you all these steps. First up to here we will do. First open the correct application. We need to inform to QTP. First text, concentrate on text. So this is the correct value. This is a. So open the correct application value. Then keep the tool under recording mode. Now QTP is under recording mode. Now go to insert checkpoint, text checkpoint. Why text checkpoint we need to select? Because there is a problem of text. The second button text. Click on it. One hand will display. Select the desired option means what? Text. Click it. Okay. See this step we did. Text checkpoint. Select the desired option. One window will opens. In that, click on OK button. See, click on OK. One more window will opens with properties. In that match case, exact match only. Text not displayed. We should not select this one. Text has to be displayed here. And ignore spaces means including space, size, everything, exact match I want. I'm asking QTP. So one more window will opens. After clicking on OK, one window will open. In that, select match case and exact match checkboxes. Click on OK. See, I'm clicking on OK. Now stop recording. Stop recording. Now open defect project, defect application called build2. Run it. Analyze the result. See. Now open the build2. Where there is a problem of it is a. Actually it should be this is a. But here it is a. You are a automation tester. You are asking you are saying to your assistant to identify the mistake. See, hit the run button. Now result window will opens. Go to view, expand all. Run it. Now script will be executed. And result window will display with failed case. Analyze the result by go to view, expand all. All steps follow and practice. Here go to view, expand all. Click on checkpoint. See, here it says text checkpoint captured is it is a. Red indicates wrong, green indicates correct, but expected is this is a. That is a reason text checkpoint this is a is failed. Like this, you are asking QTP to identify the defects in this way. Got it, team?
So is it basically we do the
Yes,
GUI, but then we are telling QTP to write these failures for us, right?
Could you please repeat it one by one? Please talk to me.
I
Yeah.
said it's like we are doing GUI by ourselves, but we are making QTP to write failures for us.
Yes, you are guiding QTP. There is a mistake. Identify, and QTP is identifying, and this reporting you are sending. Go to file, export HTML. You are exporting this defect report directly. You are sending to developer. Got it?
Yes. But if the first build is wrong too, then?
You are a manual on that time.
Okay.
If first build is there, the first build never used in automation. That is not at all possible. Comparisons are required here.
Okay.
Got it? Comparison is very important. Like this option you are sending.
Okay.
So in first build, we are testing the application manually. Then
Yes.
we write the defect cases, defect report, and after the build to come, then we will write test cases only for the defects or for whole of the application.
Why you are going for the test cases now? You are a automation tester.
No, not test cases. I mean, we will like first we have tested build one manually. Then when we
And
write
don't decide one more thing, dear. Here for your understandable purpose, I said in build 2 automation is introduced. Maybe in real time third build, fourth build, 10th build onwards, automation may be introduced.
Okay.
It's not like that from the second build only. Possibilities I'm telling, but at the beginning level, no automation. Once the project is tabled in manual, in the middle somewhere, somehow it is going to use it in automation.
So,
got it?
Yeah. So when we write defect report for the build one, then after they rectify it and build 2 has come, then we will like generate these test scripts for only the defects or for the whole application. I didn't get that.
Whole application also you can create it. In that whole application you can create it and you can save it. In that whatever mistakes are there, that you are capturing. Here mistakes only. Whole application script generation later will do. How to ask QTP to recognize the defect is, this is the concept. Project presentation is there, dear. Linear framework. There you will understand whole application what you have to do. Not now. First defects, what you are doing. You just learn this step only today.
Actually, I didn't get it. I don't know. I'm sorry. Like when you did this, like that this is that. First, when we showed QTP that this is the correct, you opened first build. Then in the second, then you open the second build and you run that. So I'm just talking about this application. So when, I don't know, I'm not getting it actually. I understood the process. But it is that like you did it just for one thing, like this is a button. So we will create the test scripts for like only the we think are the defects, or for a whole of the buttons, like all of the 3 buttons and all the text. I am not getting that.
All of the 3 buttons, why you want to create? First tell me.
So how
There
will
is
we
no...
like, yeah, okay, we will create for just the second button. So
only wait dear, forget about project, whole application, how to create the script. Please forget about that point. Here the concept is you are using QTP to recognize the defects only right now. Today,
yeah.
only one task, you are asking QTP to identify the defects. The defect you identified. Other than this, only in this any doubts if you are having, you ask me. Whole application, second application, next build, that hello button, get text button, what we have to do later we'll discuss, not now. Because if it is a quality, if it is there is no mistakes, what is the question to write the script lines? No need to write the script lines.
Okay.
Got it? So that point you forget for time being. Today only we started, Nadir, exact class, and you are asking about the 10th step.
No, actually I'm not asking about the 10th step. I want to say, like, when we create that script line and we told them that correct is this is a, and incorrect, then we run the second build. So how do we know that this will be incorrect in the second build? I'm getting confused in that.
You are a tester, Nadir. You have to identify and you
Because we
have to
did
say
that
to
too.
QTP.
We
Means you
compare
have
2
to,
different builds.
Based on the documentation, you get to know. As a tester, based on the documentation, you get to know there is a problem. This is a should be there, but they made it as a it is a. You identified manually. As a tester, you identified, and you are saying you are guiding QTP to create the defect. You are asking QTP to create the defect profile.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
first
You have
you
to
Yeah.
identify first. Without, see, QTP is not a person, Nadir. It is one machine.
Yeah.
It is not a human, right? No feelings for QTP. Whatever task you are doing, it is responding. At the beginning level, what I said, you should know how to give the instructions and information into the QTP.
Yeah.
Without knowing without knowing these steps, how come QTP will works? You have to know. Then only you will work with the QTP. QTP is your assistant, I said. You are asking your assistant to identify the defect, and your assistant is identify the defects in this way.
Okay. So when this build 2 came, we identified the defect. Then we will write the script to create a defect profile or a defect report.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
That I was getting confused. Like, how we will know like this is correct and this is incorrect? Okay. First we will recognize it. Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Only today, what your homework is checkpoint of text. Today, that is the reason these many steps I use it. I never missed a single step. Practice only these
Yeah.
steps today. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And next, if there is a area problem, how to do that in next class we will discuss. Okay. Today only one checkpoint, that to previous concept, object repository. Okay, one is object repository, another one is normal recording mode. With the navigation steps I am giving, please try to use this one and try to follow. Without reading the notes, without checking the recording class at least, don't try to open the QTP. Everything you will feel new.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Fine. So with this, today I'm ending the session for now. Only one checkpoint is done. Next checkpoint, CDA. This is already at the long back only. I have decided like tomorrow is a festival to me. I know that yesterday is because of some technical problem there is no class, and tomorrow is a very important Dasara festival to me.
Oh,
So
tomorrow is
after my
Dasara.
marriage, Yeah, and
Yeah, happy
after my marriage, yeah, thank you, dear. Actually, after my marriage, this is my first festival. So
Oh,
recently I got married. So tomorrow I'm not going to take the classes. So today and tomorrow, please practice the topics till now, whatever we discussed it.
Okay.
Then
Yeah.
freshly we can go with the next step. You are getting a 1 day time also, na?
yeah.
Yeah, actually tomorrow I had the festival.
Oh, okay, good, dear.
Good.
How many of you celebrating tomorrow?
We
I'm
all.
not.
Oh, okay.
I'm not
So,
celebrating. I didn't even know tomorrow was Dussehra.
oh, okay.
Uh,
Why, Sakshi?
Here everything is
I'm
celebrated in the weekend.
Actually, here everything goes cool, ma'am. No one will know.
Weekend.
If the
Weekend.
parents
yeah,
know us, we will be came to know.
Oh,
yeah.
really?
We
Yeah,
will only came to know by our parents who live in India. They will tell us, okay, today is this, tomorrow is that. That's it.
Oh, okay, okay.
No, we are here in Ravan Dahan, everything is here. So we didn't feel
Oh,
that.
really? That's great. So, who will in there? Are they allowed to do that Ravan Dahan, all those things? Is it?
Yeah, in
yeah.
addition,
In
here.
temples they
In
will allow,
temple.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay,
temple. But they will do in the weekend.
Yeah, yeah,
weekend.
definitely.
Okay, yeah, yeah. That is really good. At least you are celebrating somehow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In
Yeah.
temples they will celebrate very nicely, ma'am. They will keep all the Ashtalashmis, all that
Oh,
they will
really?
celebrate very nicely.
Okay,
Yeah.
Oh
that's
wow.
nice.
And
Then
we have
please enjoy.
But in our
Dandiya?
temple to see Dussehra we have $15 fee.
Oh,
Oh wow.
okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
Good. How many of you are playing Dandiya in Dasra? In general, we used to play, right? How many
yes.
of you?
yeah, we
I'm
have
not.
Dandiya on the street, road.
Okay. Nice,
Oh,
nice.
It's a 2 o'clock in night.
Oh
Oh,
wow.
okay. That's
Yeah,
really
so I
nice.
did.
Actually, where I live, there are no like Indians near me, so that's a little drawback where I live. So that's why I didn't get to know anything about
Oh,
our
okay.
festivals. I live in an
Okay.
Italian neighborhood,
Don't
so we
worry,
are
dear. I'll inform you. Next, after on 15th, Deepavali is there in advance. I'm informing you. 14th or 15th,
thank you,
and before 1 day, I'll inform you. Don't worry. Okay. I think your
thank.
parents are lived in India only, right? They
Yeah, my
miss.
parents live in India. Yeah,
So
in
they're gonna
Chandigarh.
inform you, I guess, right?
Yeah, they will.
Fine. So,
We
team.
are celebrating. We are preparing for Halloween.
oh,
Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Nice
Yeah.
to talk to you people. Nice. So, team. So, with this today, I'm ending. So, see you on day after tomorrow, continuation class.
Okay.
Okay.
Happy Dussehra.
happy
Thank
Dasra,
you so
ma'am.
much, team.
Happy
And
Dashera,
same
ma'am.
to you,
Happy
all of you.
Dussehra.
Yeah. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye
Day
bye.
after tomorrow, we will meet. Okay. I will
Okay.
send
Yeah.
you notes after 1 hour. Check it out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, team. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Good
Bye
night.
bye.
Good
Yeah.
night.
Bye bye.